I'm Airgun Angie.
And I'm Edmund.
And we are out here with the Gamo Swarm Maxxim 22 cal. And we have these Bone Collector high impact Gamo pellets. They're 15.43 grain. And we're gonna have a little bit of a competition. We've got some blue paintballs set up downrange. We're gonna see, how many did we put up?
9.
We put 9 up. There's 10 shots in the clip. So we're gonna see if Triple E can get all 9 of them with 10 shots. And then we're gonna put up some pink ones for me, of course, and see if I can get them. So let's see who wins. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Shoot low then. There you go. There you go. That's it, guys. Edmund had 3 left on the pegs and I have 1, so I guess that means I won. Alright guys, that's it. That was a lot of fun. I'm Airgun Angie.
And I'm Edmund.
This is the Gamo Swarm Maxxim 22 cal. Thank you, Gamo. Thank you all for watching. See ya.
Bye. 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 Bye.